Hey guys, just wanted to give you a little update. Still up here in Connecticut. Things are going really well. Staying raw vegan the whole time. And it hasn't been, you have to work at it to do it. Okay, you got to get your bananas, you get your dates, you need your frozen fruit. Okay, those are going to be key when you're away from home and you want to just stay raw. Bananas, dates, frozen fruit are going to be your staples. They have been for me. I've been eating oranges too, navel oranges, peeling those as well. But things have been going well. And then at night, salads. We even went out to eat last night, and I just ordered a double salad. I brought my own dressing. I made some almond butter, lemon juice, honey, a little bit of water, dressing, and that was it. So I had a double salad, and it was good. It was good. Today I did a workout at the gym, about an hour workout, 4 or 5 different exercises, and then they have tennis courts here, so I figured, okay, I'll come out and hit a few. And they've got a nice wall right there and both sides, and you're surrounded by water here. It's unbelievable. There's harbors, and Fisher's Island is out there, Long Island, the Atlantic Ocean. It's awesome. So I had like 7 tennis balls with me, so I figured go out to the court and just hit a few too. I warmed up earlier on the wall, so I'm just going to hit a few. Just drop hit some. What was that? So I'll go back and forth. I'll hit them back, and then maybe 4 or 5 times. That's all. I'm just trying to stay loose, keep the blood flowing. Okay, I'm heading towards the ocean here, shoreline. They've got a couple of islands, Fisher's Island, like I said, and Long Island. So we'll see what we see. I believe over there, that's Fisher's Island, beyond that jetty there. And I'm not sure, but I think that could be Long Island, possibly. I don't know. But anyway, it's a nice spot. They got a nice little path you can walk along here. So my brother-in-law's house is down down that way. He's in the harbor area. Now he's got a nice widow's walk, I think they call them. You can get up there and you can get the whole view. But it's incredibly nice here. Great in the summer, but in the winter, it's gray, it's cold, it's damp. Sometimes there's snow. So anyway, I'm gonna head back to the house and fruit up. But I saw Vinny Gabagooch, but we did not do any videos. We had a lot of family there. We were so busy talking. We played a little music. I played some tennis with my grandkids. We played pool. They got a beautiful, John, my brother-in-law, has a beautiful regulation pool table. So we had a great time, but we didn't film anything. But Vinny promised he's coming to Florida in the winter time, and we'll definitely do some then. So I'm gonna head back and fruit up. Okay, back home, and it's time to fruit up. What do I have in here? I got 5 bananas, cup of blueberries, cup of strawberries, 2 dates, about 700 calories. So I've been surviving, you know, on a lot of bananas, frozen fruit, dates, and then huge salads at night. You can do it. Nothing tastes as good as healthy feels, so maybe that striped bass would taste pretty good, but I'd rather stay away from the saturated fats. So, fantastic. All the best, guys, and keep on fruiting up. Take care.